Hello, this is Angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week introducing Japanese fishing trends and techniques. I hope you like my channel. In this video, I'll show you a unique weightless rig setup. I-Motion Weightless Rig, which you might not have seen before. The lure I coupled with it is Liar Minnow by Issei. Issei is a Japanese lure brand known for its top quality designs. Their lures are designed by the legendary angler and lure designer Haruhiko Murakami. Liar Minnow is a fish-shaped soft lure that's perfect for all kinds of finesse bass fishing rigs. First, let's check out the product specifications. Ooh, the lure looks just like a small baitfish, right? Super cool. By default, the lure doesn't have eyes on it, but it comes with eye shields on the side. We can use it without them. For example, when using it as a jig trailer, the eyes aren't really necessary. But I think it looks way cooler with the eyes, so I went ahead and added them. I use super glue to stick them on. The shields already have glue, so this step isn't mandatory, but I like to use super glue just to make sure the eyes don't fall off easily. Alright, all set. Okay, now let me show you I-Motion Weightless Rig. How to rig it? Please watch this. I used a hook size number 1 for this setup. A thinner wire like a number 2 or number 3 is usually recommended, but I wanted a bit more weight to sink the lure, so I went with the number 1. Let's insert the hook starting from the head and have it come out through the lower body. Now here's where the wheel gas comes in. I slid the wheel guard through the eye of the hook. This keeps the hook in place and prevents it from sliding around. I did not trim the wheel guard, but if no need to have it, we can trim it. This rig has the hook pointing down, which might raise concerns about snagless capability. However, it helps keep the lure's posture stable in the water, as the hook acts like a lightweight sinker. It takes a bit of effort to set this up, but I really like this rig. Okay, let's check out the fishing footage. Issei Liar Minnow 3 inches. Okay. Issei is a Japanese lure brand that produces Haruhiko Murakami designed lures. Haruhiko Murakami is a genius angler who's very famous in Japan. He has invented a dropshot rig and a neko rig. I mean, he changed the bass fishing history. This lure, Liar Minnow, is also designed and engineered by him. Looks like a yummy baitfish. Come on. Come on. This lure is not made of a heavy sinking material. I used #1 hook. Then now this lure slowly sinking by the weight of the hook. But basically, I fish subsurface, not the bottom, subsurface. So, if bass are looking up, chasing the bait fish in the surface range, I have a right choice. But if bass are looking down, chasing the baits in the bottom, this may not be a right choice. I hope bass is chasing the baits in subsurface range. Look this setup. This is a bit of unique setup. Point comes under the lure. This is what Haruhiko Murakami introduced on his YouTube channel. I know some other lures like Evergreen Last Ace anglers have the similar settings. Come on. Super busy today. So many kids anglers around. Unfortunately, the spots I wanted to fish has already occupied. And super heavy pressure. I hope bass are not that nervous. Cast, reel, and twitch. Twitch. 3 inches. I'd say it's a nice size to fish this small, heavy pressured pond. But if possible, I'd like to have 2.5 inches. Come on, yeah. Since the bait fish are that small, could be 2 inches to 2.5 inches. 3 inches, maybe a little bit bigger. Whew. Okay. Okay, call it. Yes, Liar Minnow. Yes, Issei, Liar Minnow. Oh, it's close. Not that big, but yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Issei, Liar Minnow. Oh yes, I caught a bass, but after that it went completely silent. But as the sun started to go down, the baitfish began rising to the surface. I trusted the Liar Minnow and kept on casting. Liar, no, wow, it's close. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, buddy. Yes. It's an okay sized bass. Twitch. 2 twitches and a pause, and finally the bass struck. Then it got dark. I know, my GoPro doesn't have night vision, so it was probably time to go home. but something inside me said, just a few more cast, just a few more cast. Okay. Wow, this is good one. Wow, this is good one. Okay. Wow, could be 2-pounder. Okay. Issei. Liar Minnow. Yes! Okay, it was a nice size bass. It's a ban. The video turned out too dark. But anyway, Issei Liar Minnow did a great job. I have a couple of similar type lures like Evergreen, Last Ace, and Raid Japan Fine Stick. Those lures will be featured in my videos soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share the channel with your friends and community. Make sure to subscribe. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye.